Okay guys, it's Levi back with another Hungry Shark World video, and I'm just going to be uploading Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and it might be just a little off because school is going to get in the way. I know 100% it's going to be Saturday and Sunday. There might be a slight chance it would be Friday, so, let's just get straight into the video. Okay, so we're back, and let's see what we can do. We can find the H. Okay, yeah. Well, actually, yeah. Let's try to find. Okay, the H is just above the average. I don't feel like great today, but I do feel alright. I might sneeze a couple times. So go to the gallon reactive. The H, and let's see, the H is right there, so, I think we're gonna have to find the U, because it's probably gonna spell hungry, yeah, it does, the U is just a little to the left, where's the U? Okay, we're just a little bit above it, so we just gotta do it. There we go. And we're gonna find the N. So I found the N. Okay, the N is just there. Kind of just above this current. Played this before, so you guys might not know this, but I just wanted to start a YouTube channel and be like, oh yeah, maybe I could just do this for YouTube channel because it seems fun. I play it a lot, so you might see maybe a video. Usually it's definitely going to be once a day. No, I cannot do special. It's definitely going to be once a day on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, like I told you in the beginning. And I might have I might do multiple videos. No, food, where's the food? Oh, yes, food. I need more food. Where's the food? Okay, there's the food. So, you might see it twice a day. There's a good chance that I will upload Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Maybe twice a day. Where's the G? Nope, no, don't want to do that. Where's the G? The G is, okay, where we started. Let's go to the G. Oh, a little bit of lag, Do not like lag. I do need food badly, so I'm going to try to get some. Where is the food? Food! Oh, sorry about that. And again, sorry about that. Oh, and... No! Oh, that pressed the time. So, I'm going to try it one more time. See if we can do it. If not, I do have something we could do. So, let's see. Okay, guys, we're back. And let's just see where the H is now. The H is, okay, the H is above the record. Let's go there. So, down to the left. And then down to the left, we're just going to use the fish so my life stays good. Down to the left. So, it seems like we're, yep. Yeah, we're almost there. Okay, so where is it? Okay. Now, where's the elevator? Okay, the U is right above us. Wait, where's the U? Oh, it's just a little to the left. We got the U. And now the N. Okay, the N is under the wreckage. shark's probably protecting me. And crap. That's nothing. So let's try to go to the end part where that X is and try to get where we can't get to. So we're gonna have to go over the thing, and yeah, see you in a little bit. Okay, so we're back again. Let's try to get to that part that we can get to, which was sort of at the end. If I can open up the map. Yeah. Not interested at the H at the moment. So, yeah, up that platform. Maybe since we can't get to that X, we could go to up over that platform. If we have Gold Rush, it'd be a little bit easier. But maybe not. But if we cannot do that, I'm probably going to be planning on going into this volcano. And over in the middle, you see, we could go over that. And then go over the one that's next to it. And then get down into the volcano. And then once we're down into the volcano, we could, we're kind of blocked up there. We could go and try to get to that guy's face, maybe. But then it's going to be hard to get out, so that's going to be tough. Let's go to the end real quick. So we're gonna need to go where? Okay, we're gonna go straight for a little bit. Ouch, that hurt really bad. Go straight for a little bit. And so we need to go down here. Yes, we do actually. We need to go down. Jellyfish. So I think we're gonna have to go down here. I'm pretty sure. And then we're gonna get to the yes we are. And we get absolutely obliterated. So I'm gonna try it one more time, and once I get there probably I'll put the recording back on. Alright, so back into the water. Let's try to get to where we were before. Let's conserve our boost so that we have a good amount of boost. I need a small shark to get there. So yeah, let's conserve our boost. Let's not worry about the H. We'll have to go straight. And then down to get to our board. And I'm already dead. Wow. Already dead. That's not impressive at all. Probably gonna try to go there one more time. And we're gonna try to get to the volcano. If not, okay, so just got here. I'm actually amazed that we got here. There's one again. So we got here by, just so we got there just by doing, what I said. And yeah. Just gonna just explore. If I got eaten, that's fine. So yeah, it's just like I'm surprised I actually got here. Like it was actually pretty tough. Oh. Sorry about that. Of course, there's gonna be a right down here. Of course. So, anyways, if you guys have enjoyed the video, like and subscribe for more content for Hungry Shark World and maybe some other videos. So, good.